Drinking water recovery in case of a natural disaster. When involved in natural disasters such as hurricanes or major floods, citizens can be left in a situation where they are struggling to find clean drinking water. This is brought on by toxins found in stagnant flood water and city water systems being contaminated by the runoff. Here are a few steps that you can take to guarantee safe drinking water in case of a flood or hurricane. Here are a few options that will guarantee safe drinking water in case of a flood or hurricane. Remember to only use water that has been properly disinfected for drinking, cooking, making any prepared drinks, washing dishes, and for brushing teeth. First and foremost, use purified bottled water or water you have properly prepared and stored as an emergency water supply. These cases of purified bottled water can be found at any major grocery store, convenience store, or gas station, ranging from $2 to $5 in price. Be sure to purchase in advance of a natural disaster, as supplies usually sell out quickly. If you are in a flood or hurricane situation where clean, public drinking water becomes limited, be sure to utilize the purified bottled water you have prepared and stored specifically for emergencies such as this. Make sure to store cases of water in safe places at home, such as closets, cabinets, storage spaces, and other easily accessible areas. Option 2. If you do not have bottled water, boiling water is an adequate and safe way to kill pathogenic bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Heat water to a rolling boil or until the water bubbles for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute passes, remove the water from the heat and allow it to naturally cool down to room temperature, which is 73.4 degrees Fahrenheit and 23 degrees Celsius. Once water has naturally cooled, store it in a clean container with a sealed lid. If the water contains a strange taste, add 1 pinch of salt to each quart or liter of water. The added sodium will add flavor back to the water, making it more palatable. In addition, you can pour the water from one clean container to another several times. This will improve the flat taste of boiled water. Option 3. If you are unable to boil water, you can disinfect water using standard household bleach. Bleach can be found at any major grocery or hardware store as well as select convenient markets. The label will state that the active ingredient contains 6 to 8.25% of sodium hypochlorite. Please note, do not use scented, color-safe, or bleaches with added cleansers. Using a medicine dropper or measuring spoon, add 2 drops or 1/16 teaspoon of bleach to 1 gallon of water and stir. After stirring, allow the water to sit for 30 minutes. The water should have a slight chlorine odor to it. Repeat dosage and allow water to sit for 15 minutes. If the chlorine taste is too strong, pour water from one clean container to another and let it stand for a few hours before usage. To recap, always use bottled water as your #1 option. Please remember, the given instructions will show you how to boil and disinfect water in order to kill majority of the disease-causing microorganisms that may be present in the water after a natural disaster has occurred. In addition, boiling or disinfection will not destroy other contaminants such as heavy metals, salts, and most other chemicals. Only use water that has been properly disinfected for drinking, cooking, making any prepared drinks, washing dishes, and for brushing your teeth. Using these options will guarantee clean and safe drinking water during a natural disaster.